He's gonna challenge me to risky things. I don't think he realizes how stupid I can be. Welcome to Villefranche. This is the south of France, and my wife and I have been here on a vacation for a couple days. I've been posting to Instagram, as I always do, and a couple people looked me up and noticed that I was here and said, hey, come fly with us. So I am responding to a random Instagram request. I'm taking a train to the nearest city, which is Nice, France, and we're gonna meet up, fly, and supposedly there's like an abandoned, like ancient castle that we should be able to fly. So I'm really looking forward to that. Can't wait to see what happens. Let's do it. No matter what I do, no matter how far I walk, no matter how little crap I'm carrying, I'm just drenched in sweat by the time I get wherever I'm going. Hey, how's it going? How are you? Right? This spot is incredible.
Un peu, mais
ouais, vous êtes beau là.
We'll fly until dark,
yeah.
and then keep going. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Bye, everybody.
Oh merde.